Welcome to Lamudi Pro. In this video, we'll walk you through how to log in and explore your dashboard so you can manage your listings with ease. To get started, go to pro.lamudi.com. This is the new platform where you can manage your listings and access upgraded tools. Once you're on the platform, you'll see the different Lamudi Pro packages available. Interested in a Lamudi Pro account? Fill out this form and our team will contact you about available packages. Already have a Lamudi account? Just click Login. Use the same username and password you used for lamudi.com.ph. No need to create a new one. After entering your credentials, hit Login. You might see a prompt asking if you want to upgrade or choose a package. Go ahead and select what works for you. Now you're in. This is your dashboard. Here you can monitor your listing performance, view all your active properties, and check how many featured slots you still have. At the top, you'll find quick access to the different platforms your listings are visible to. On the right side, you'll see a summary of your total property views and inquiries. Across the top, you'll also see 6 main tabs to help you manage your account efficiently. New Property is where you can upload and publish new listings. Overview gives you a snapshot of your account, listing performance, visits, and available slots. Properties is where you'll find all your active, draft, and unpublished listings. Inbox shows your incoming inquiries from interested buyers and renters. Under Company Profile, you can update your business information like contact details and branding. My Subscription lets you view your current plan, featured listing slots, and other subscription detail. And that's it. You're all set to manage your listings on Lamudi Pro. If you need any help, feel free to contact us at hello@pro.lamudi.com.ph.